Hello guys, this is Devtech Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you limit and skip function in MongoDB database. So first of all, open your terminal and let's zoom it. Then first we are going to check whether our MongoDB server is up and running or not. So we are going to type sudo service MongoDB status. So this will give our status of MongoDB server, whether it is up and running or not. So as you can see that it is inactive and it's dead. So let's just start our MongoDB server by typing sudo service MongoDB start. So now we have started our MongoDB server. Let's just cross check by typing sudo service MongoDB status. And now it says it is active and in running states. So our MongoDB server has been started. So let's clear our terminal and then we will launch Mongo in quiet mode to ignore the warnings. Then we are going to type show DBs to list all the databases. Over there we are going to use DemoDB for this tutorial. Over there I'm going to type show collections to list all the collections present in DemoDB. So here we have a student's name, a collection present. So we are going to use a students, and then we are going to list all the records that is present in the student collection. So here we have 4 records which is having a field's name underscore ID, which is having a object ID field, then a student ID, name and their marks. So let's just use the previous command, and that is db.students.find. Then if we use limit function, then by using the limit function we can limit our records. So basically, how many records do you want? So let's say I just, out of the 4 records, I want only 1 record. So I will pass one numeric value in the parenthesis and then I will hit enter. So as you can see that it has given me the first record that it has fetched. Based on the object ID, first of all it is sorted. So after that it has limited and given me the first record. So let's say if you want to find this record, second record, based on object ID, then what you are going to do is you can just say db.students.find.skip. Then how many records do you want to skip? First record. And then after that also you want to limit to 1 record. Then hit enter, and then you have got the second record in which you have said that skip the first record and then give me 1 record. Then first of all I have skipped the first record, which is used by this function skip skip 1, and then to get the another first record from here. So let's just check a skip function in detail as well. So we will type db.students.find.skip. So if I say skip 2, so it is going to skip first 2 records. So as you can see that the first 2 records has been skipped over here and the last 2 records has been shown. So this is the functionality of a skip function and the limit function. So the limit function is used to fetch how many records that you want to tell him, and the skip function will skip the number of records that you want to skip. So you can use also a combination of both of them. For example, over here I have skipped the first record and then I have also fetched the 1 record which has given me the second record. So let's say if you want to sort all this record first based on the marks parameter, and then you want to get the second highest. So how will you do it? So I will just type db.students.find. So first of all I am going to use the sort function, and then I will say sort based on the marks field and sort it in descending order, so that the student who is having the largest marks or having the highest marks will come on the top. And then I will close the parenthesis, and then I will say okay, my records has been sorted. Now what to do? So I will just skip the first, that is I will skip the top student, and then I will get the student who is having the second highest record by passing 1, and then I will hit enter. So as you can see that I have got a student who is having a second highest mark by using a combination of sort function, skip and limit. So what I have done is I have sorted first all the records in descending order, which has given me the highest student marks on the top of it. Then I have said Okay, skip the first record as I don't need the student with the highest score. Then I have limited to one record which will give me the second highest record. So this is all for this video. If this video helps you, please do hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.